For us to install a theme using the offline option, we'll go back to our WordPress dashboard. Then the WordPress theme section, we'll click on Add New, Upload New Theme. And it's going to give you this option here, Choose File. Okay, remember in your course and resources folder, there is a folder called WordPress theme. You click on it and we have 3 themes here you can use. So these are all fully licensed themes. It's a bonus for you guys. You can use any one of them and play with them. But for the purpose of this course, I'm going to use the Imperial Interior. So I'll right click on it and extract. Enter the folder. I'll equally right click and extract. And I enter the unzip folder. So you have a series of folders here. 3 of them are zip, 1 of them is not. So this is the main theme we are going to install. This is the child theme, but let's install the main theme. Okay, so it's giving us an error that we have exceeded our file upload size. Okay, let's try and solve this. So by default, when you're installing WordPress locally, the maximum file size of content you can upload is 2 megabytes. Let's go to the media section. Let me just show you something. Add media. So you can see here, maximum upload file size is 2 megabytes. So we need to change this. For us to do that, we'll come to the top, we'll come to the bottom right corner of our Windows machine, click on the WAMP server icon, select PHP, then select and click php.ini. So we'll quickly scroll down to file size data. Okay, file size. So you can see here is 2 MB. So we need to change it to 8. Control S to save. We minimize this. Remember, you have just made a major configuration change, so you need to come back to the WAMP server application and restart all services. So turn red and voila, it's up and running. So let us refresh. Okay, so it has changed to 8 megabytes now. So let's try and install our theme now and see. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and Imperial, and voila, it has successfully installed. So let's click on activate. So we've successfully installed a WordPress theme using the line option.